Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Aamer Zeshan, Subject Specialist English in DPS Sahiwal. You are very warm welcome on our YouTube channel. Let's start today's lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, you have already been taught the poem Mother to Son. In today's lecture, we will learn how to write the summary of Mother to Son. Learning objectives of today's lesson are: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the concept of summary writing, read the poem to answer the given questions, and will be able to write the summary of a poem. What is a summary? Students, a summary is a shortened version of a text that highlights its key point. How to write a summary? Now I will tell you how to write a summary. Please read all the points and listen all the points carefully. Then you will be able to write down a beautiful summary. First, read the topic of the poem 2 or 3 times. Second, write down the name of the poem and its poet. Third, underline main ideas. Fourth, underline the keywords in every line. Fourth, fifth, note down the main ideas and facts in your own words. Organize the ideas in sequence. Then, write the message of the poem in your own words. Students, now I will tell you step by step how to write a summary. The first step, read the poem to give answer of the following questions. Now I am giving you some questions. You will read the questions and try to give the answer of the questions. First question, what is the title of the poem? Second question, what is the name of the poet who has written this summary? Who has written this poem? Third question, who is the speaker in this poem? I have also given clues in pictures. Next question, to whom the words are addressed? Next question, what does the speaker compare her life with? What does the speaker encounter on the stairs? What type of problem has she been facing, or what type of problems has she been facing? Next question, what is her response to the problems? Next question, what is the advice of speaker for her son? Student, listen to me carefully. I am giving the clues. I am suggesting you to see the pictures which have been given with the questions and try to write down the answer of these questions in 1 or 2 sentences by your own. And next question, what is the message of the poem? Step 2. After writing down the answers, obviously you will write down the answer of the questions which have been given to you. You will write down the answers on your notebooks. The answer must be given in complete sentences. Step 3 that you will follow. And the step is you will construct some sentences by using main points. And the main points of this poem are, according to me, the main point, the first main point is title. The title is as mother to son. Next, you can write the poet, you can write the name of a poet who is Langston Hughes. While talking about the experiences of her life, a mother tells her son that life has never been a crystal stairs for her. Despite the obstacles, she has managed to move ahead. It means her life has been full of troubles and challenges, but she has faced them courageously. If you read the poem, you can extract these main points. And the message of the poem is, the poem gives us a message that we should never lose hope. We should face hardships of life with patience. We should never give up our struggle. Students, now you will follow step 4. Construction of paragraph by putting sentences in correct order. After following 3 steps, you will be able to construct a full-fledged paragraph which will be based on summary by putting sentences in correct order. I am suggesting you some lines. With the help of these lines, you will start the summary, or you can start your summary with these lines. Like, you can start your summary with this line: the beautiful and heart-touching poem Mother to Son is written by Langston Hughes. In this poem, a mother addresses to her son. I have suggested you 2 sentences. You can start your summary with these sentences, and writing these sentences, and right after writing these sentences, you can add or put more sentences. Students, now it's time for home assignment. Instructions regarding preparation of notebooks. These instructions are very necessary. You have to follow the instructions while preparation of notebooks. First, you will draw margin lines on both sides of page. Write date and day. Then you will write the title or the topic of home assignment with blue marker. Then keep in mind, maintain notebook index regularly. And your assignment is, as you know, that you will write down the summary of the poem Mother to Son. You have already been taught the text of a summary. You already know the contextual meanings of the poem. You have a good comprehensive approach towards this poem. And obviously, you know that this poem has been written by Langston Hughes. This poem is a very famous poem of 20th century. Langston Hughes is a poet who belonged to United States, and this poem is a representative poem of black people who faces who faced hardships in their lives. And you very well know that this poem describes the difficulties and obstacles which have been faced by a mother, and it is a very simple addressing poem. Hope so you have understand and got all the points of today's lecture, and I am very hopeful you will be able to produce a very good summary. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.